Find features that differentiate it from other brands for DJiEX, 24-inch, curved white monitor. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Curved white design and easy assemble. Elevate your office or business workspace with a sleek 24-inch curved white monitor, featuring a minimalist finish and a stable V-shaped base. The 1080p display delivers smooth visuals for daily tasks, while the quick release mechanism enables hassle-free, tool-free assembly right out of the box. Engineered for white-collar professionals and home office setups, blending modern aesthetics with practical productivity. Silky smooth 100 Hz refresh rate. Upgrade your workflow from standard 60 Hz displays. The 100 Hz refresh rate reduces motion blur and screen lag during fast web scrolling or video editing. Combined with AMD FreeSync technology, it ensures tear-free visuals for seamless multitasking and casual gaming. Engineered for smooth performance in spreadsheets, presentations, and daily office work. Frameless and ergonomic design. Maximize your desktop real estate with an elegant edge-to-edge profile. This modern design suits seamless dual or multi-monitor setups. Adjust the screen from -5 degrees to 15 degrees tilt to reduce neck strain during long office hours. Suited for space-conscious workstations, creative studios, and multi-monitor. Vivid colors with HDR10 and 98% sRGB. With HDR10 support, 16.7 million colors, and 98% sRGB color coverage, this computer monitor brings richer color performance for games, videos, work documents, and everyday entertainment. VESA mount compatible and quality assurance. Engineered for modern corporate workspaces, small businesses, and work-from-home setups to enhance daily productivity. Featuring standard VESA 75x75mm mounting holes, this monitor easily mounts to articulating arms or walls for clutter-free efficiency. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.